The number one killer on planet is heart disease, which accounts for 1 in 4 deaths. What makes heart disease so deadly is the progressive buildup of plaque in the arteries, which narrows the inner walls, restricting and ultimately blocking the flow of blood. Arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different tissues in the body. When plaque builds up and blood flow becomes inhibited, these clogged or blocked arteries can lead to more serious problems such as heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. So, what can you do to keep your arteries healthy and free of blockage? Food can be used as a natural remedy to regress blockage and prevent further damage to your arteries. Here we have prepared 19 best foods you can eat to free your arteries of buildup. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is thought of as one of the healthful foods available out there for your heart. The purpose behind this is the number of healthy unsaturated fats that are actually discovered in the fish. It assists to lower and forestall elevated cholesterol, inflammation, and triglyceride levels. Further, healthy fish alternatives are herring, tuna, and mackerel. Obviously, it's best to purchase organic fish as it's more beneficial and easily possible for you. Orange juice. A pure squeezed orange full of antioxidants that help the healthy vessels. Squeezed orange is also known to bring down the levels of blood pressure. 2 glasses of freshly squeezed orange juice every day are sufficient to cover your day-by-day prescribed estimation of vitamin C and give adequate minerals and vitamins to affect your health and well-being emphatically. Number 3. Coffee. Yes, at last. There is a healthy and valid reason and motivation to have the precious cup of joe in the morning. Studies have demonstrated that getting a charge out of 2 or so cups of coffee amid the day can bring down your risk of having a heart attack by almost 20%. By that as it may, remember that coffee can also have negative effects on your stomach, and too much caffeine is not good for you either. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts have for quite some time been known for their plenitude of healthy fats. These incorporate unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Not just are these beneficial for your cholesterol levels, they also advantage your memory and joints. Almonds and walnuts are exceptionally high in these fats. One modest bunch daily can have a significant effect. Number 5. Persimmon fruit. Rich in fiber and nourishing starches, persimmons can help bring down your cholesterol levels. These said to be heavenly organic products are sweet and delicious increments to plates of mixed greens or cereals. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains large amounts of curcumin, which has numerous positive qualities. This spice anticipates overactive fat stockpiling and brings down the inflammation of the tissue. Turmeric makes a great expansion to many dishes and furthermore makes a very tasty tea. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is notable for its refreshing and soothing effect simultaneously. One explanation behind this is the catechin contained in the leaves of the tea. This cancer-preventing agent brings down cholesterol retention and supports digestion. Maybe a cup of tea or perhaps 2 each day is sufficient to give the greatest benefits. Number 8. Watermelon. The personification of watermelon is not just revitalizing. It broadens veins by advancing the creation of nitric oxide. An occasional bit of watermelon can work miracles, and it tastes like heaven itself. So either have it as is or blend it to make its juice. You are going to love it anyway. Let's go for number 9. Whole grain. Whole grain flour is also a compelling approach to counteract elevated cholesterol. It is rich in fiber, which easily binds with cholesterol, keeping it from gathering in the arteries. Nourishments high in whole grain don't just keep cholesterol from working up. They additionally help to separate any existing development. Great wellsprings of whole grain are brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread. Number 10. Cheese. Cheese not generally has the best repute with regards to cholesterol. However, in the event that it's not expanded in overabundance, it can really bring down the cholesterol level and also blood pressure. Number 11. Seaweed. The rundown of healthy ingredients in seaweed is super amazing. It's rich in various vitamins, minerals, cancer-preventing agents, proteins, and carotenoids. Consistent utilization can help normalize the blood pressure and expand veins, both of which are valuable for the flow. Individuals who routinely eat seaweed can bring down their cholesterol by up to 15%. Number 12. Cranberries. Cranberries are an awesome wellspring of potassium. In the event that you consistently drink cranberry juice, you'll raise levels of healthy cholesterol and lower the risky ones. Drinking 2 glasses for each day has been appeared to bring down your danger of heart attack by up to 40%. Number 13. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just delightful in tea or baked items. It's additionally an essential device for battling elevated cholesterol by forestalling development in the passages. Indeed, even 1 teaspoonful every day can have a visible impact. Number 14. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are high in phytochemicals that actually advance nitric oxide formation, which is thus a decent approach to help blood circulation. This fascinating fruit makes for a wonderful expansion to servings of salads, or you can appreciate it as a top-notch reviving juice. Number 15. Spinach. Not just useful for Popeye's muscles, spinach helps clearing the arteries and lowers the blood pressure. Despite the fact that the myth of spinach's high iron substance has since been exposed, it is as yet known to be rich in folic acid and potassium. Both of these lower your risk of having a heart attack and upkeep the muscle tissue. Number 16. Olive oil. Greeks and Italians have long known the key to great well-being by consuming olive oil of high quality. Cold squeezed olive oil endows your body with healthy fats and brings down cholesterol levels. This can bring down the danger of having a heart attack by up to 41%. Number 17. Broccoli. This green power vegetable, detonating in vitamin K, keeps calcium from perching in your arteries. It additionally is gainful to cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Regardless of whether eating it raw as a nibble or as a major part of a full dinner meal, broccoli is rich in nutrients development to your day. Number 18. Avocado. It is not any more a puzzle that avocados are greatly healthy for you. The fats found in avocados advance a solid harmony amongst great and terrible cholesterol, which is imperative for sound arteries. This versatile fruit is heavenly in serving of salads, with bread, or all alone with a little bit of salt and pepper. Number 19. Asparagus. Asparagus is a Herculean warrior against elevated cholesterol. The supplements in asparagus anticipate stopping up of veins and blood vessel inflammation. Asparagus is tasty as a primary dish in soup or as a side to pasta or potatoes. A healthy diet rich in nutrient-dense foods may help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. All of the foods listed above offer many other benefits as well. Adding them to your daily routine may significantly decrease your risk of disease and boost your overall health. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment on our video. Thank you very much for watching.